Torn between the Z23 Evolution Sport and the PowerStop brake kits? Whether you're looking for brakes for a Volvo, Mercedes, BMW, Audi, or any other European car, you'll want to understand your options. Your choice of brake kits really comes down to whether you want to stick to the standard or go for an upgrade. Either way you choose, you're sure to get great brakes when you buy a PowerStop kit. Both are created to fit different needs. Let's take a look at the differences to help you decide which is the best choice for your ride. If that everyday driver is ready for a brake job and you're looking for better performance, this is the kit for you. The Z23 Evolution Sport Kit is designed to give you more stopping power and smooth braking. The pads are made of durable carbon fiber ceramics so they can hold up to intense heat without much brake dust. A powder-coated backing will also prevent corrosion and rust, while drilled and slotted rotors will provide better cooling. A Z23 brake kit is a simple bolt-on upgrade for your brakes. This kit also comes at a fraction of the price of the OEM parts. Choosing the Z23 Evolution Sport Kit means that you'll get more stopping power, better performance, and less brake dust, all for less than you'd pay for original equipment parts. For European car drivers here in North America, it can be hard to get brakes that match your manufacturer's original equipment specifications. PowerStop PowerStop Brake Kit solved that problem. We've made it easy to find ECR 90 certified brake pads that meet European regulations. This means that they ensure OEM performance and safety standards. They've got the exact same amount of stopping power and are measured for cold performance, speed sensitivity, friction behavior, compressibility, shear, and hardness. If meeting your European car's original equipment standard is important to you, these are the brakes to choose. The big difference is that PowerStop matches the standards in every way. It is also formulated to match the materials in European OE brake pads. That said, they're not carbon fiber, so you won't get the same low dust benefit Z23 can save your wheels, while the other kit can't. The Z23 Evolution Sport Kit will also give you a bit of a performance upgrade. They're both great products made to fit different needs. One of the biggest points to notice is the fact that they're both designed to ensure smooth braking. Who doesn't want that? Say you've got a BMW and you're sick of your wheels being constantly covered in dust from your brakes meeting OE specifications. You could surely upgrade to our Z23 line and prevent that. Since PowerStop Z23 kits are a higher performance brake kit all around for anything you drive, you can't go wrong there. Europe's laws require that braking components be tested to meet the same standards as original equipment. North America, however, doesn't have the same regulations for brake parts. Because of that, the brakes are not required to meet those OE specifications, so ultimately the choice is yours. We've made it easier to have the option of meeting ECR 90 requirements if you choose to go with our PowerStop kit.